Why do some companies grow faster, save more money, and make smarter decisions, while others struggle every day?
Because most businesses work in disconnected systems.
With GlobeTech, managing sales, finance, HR, and inventory has never been this integrated and efficient. Introducing GlobeTech ERP, the one system that streamlines your entire workflow, connecting sales, finance, HR, and inventory for total integrated growth. Initiating sales order. Inventory updated. Accounts updated. Pick ticket generated. Process complete. The manual process leads to chaos. The ERP process offers automation and control. See how the flow improves productivity. With GlobeTech, your reports, orders, inventory, finance, and customers are guaranteed error-free with 100% accuracy.
As you can see from the growth metrics here, our strategy is yielding significant results.
Impressive.
And the revenue and profit figures demonstrate sustained positive trends.
I agree.
Automation, lower costs, higher efficiency. Yes, this is exactly what we need.
Secure access and data protection are paramount. Monitoring the fortified ERP data infrastructure is critical.
Scaling our operations and visualizing global success.
Welcome. Today, we present the wide-reaching impact of ERP across all sectors. We'll explore healthcare, retail, manufacturing.
Introducing our streamlined ERP solutions.
Yes, maximum efficiency.
Integrating SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, and Odoo for unmatched performance. ERP helps companies work smarter. Welcome back. Next up, we're exploring the different types of ERP systems: cloud, on-premise, hybrid, and vertical. Join us. For more informative videos, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.